Hello everyone, my name is Gopesh and in today's video we are going to discuss about Apex batch classes. Apex batch classes are a great tool that provided by Salesforce to process large number of records without exceeding the platform limits. Batch class splits the record into small batches and then it processes them asynchronously, which allow the record to be processed in multiple threads. In Apex batch, each transaction starts with a new set of governor limits, making it to ensure that your code stays with the governor execution limit. So this is how the template of the batch class look like. We are going to discuss about this in detail. So let's understand this batch class with the help of an example. So we got a request that update the mailing address on contacts records with billing address of accounts wherever account state is CA. So let's go into the org. So this is our account record. These are multiple accounts in the org. You can see we have the billing state as CA at multiple places. So what this requirement saying is wherever account state is CA, we want the contact mailing address to be updated with the account's billing address. Okay, so let's jump to the coding part. For this, I have to create a class, uh, update contact address. Hmm. Our class is created. First thing we have to note in batch class is that our class should be global. We don't need this sharing now. And then we have to implements the interface that is required, which is database dot batchable interface. Let's remove the constructor for now. Hmm. The first method of this batch class is the start method. Let's and its return type is database dot get sorry database dot query locator method name start and its parameter going to be database dot batchable context. VC we have given this name of the variable as VC. Right. So now let's in the start method we have to query all the records on which we have to do the processing. So let's create the query going to be select id comma name, then we need billing address, billing city, billing state, billing postal code, billing country from account. And as this is a contact is a child object of account, so we can put our inner query here. Select id comma name from Contacts. This is the child relationship name. Let me put this sign. Now here we read our mailing address, mailing city, mailing state, mailing postal code, and mailing country. And now the where condition. Put it like this. Where counts, sorry, billing status. Billing status is equal to PA. So here we have to give this as a string, but we are already putting this in a string. So to bypass it, we have to use this. Okay. And then since we have mentioned this database.query locator as a return type, we have to mention the return statement also. Return database dot get query locator. And in this, we are going to pass our query. Now, this start method is completed. Next, we are going to write is our execute method. Sorry, global void as execute method will not going to return anything. Execute our parameter database dot batchable context variable name and what this execute method going to be. I mean, going to receive the account from the start method. Let's give the variable name as ACC list. Okay. Now, as let's write the finish method also. The finish method is not going to receive any parameter, so I'm going to remove this. Now, it's an inner query, so it's going to return a list of accounts. So we will iterate over account ACC account list. Now, for each account, we will get few contact records, right? So we are going to iterate over those contacts for contact acc dot contact. Hmm. Now, we have to update our contacts mailing city with accounts with account billing city, right? Similarly, we have to update the state also. Mailing state with billing state, mailing postal code with billing postal code, mailing country with billing country, right? And then we need a list of contacts. Let's give the name as update contact list. We'll do new list of contact. We are going to add our contacts here, and outside the for loop we are going to update those update the update contact list. So now let's go through the code one more time. In the start method, we have queried all the accounts and its related contacts. In the execute method, we have download iterated over the accounts and its related contact list. Wherever we are getting the, I mean, on the contacts mailing city, we are getting this mailing city updated with the accounts billing city, and similarly, mailing state, mailing postal code, country. And in the last, we are updating it. So let's deploy this code. Billing country spelling is correct, incorrect. Let's correct this one. Billing country. Our code is successfully deployed in the org. Let's log into the org and see how to set up, or we can go to developer console also. Mm. So you can see our code is got deployed in the org. So let's execute this batch class through anonymous window code. So you can ignore these things. So first thing we have to do is we have to instantiate the batch class, and we are going to do this using last name batch record equal to new batch. Okay. And here we are going to write code to execute batch record. The next parameter will be the batch size. Here I'm deliberately giving the batch size as 1. So before that, let's go to the setup and write here apex job, uh, new view, write demo view. Here we will give our apex class name, where apex class name is update contact address. Okay. Now when I will execute that asynchronous of batch class from here, we are going to, let's see if we are getting, let me go to compute to batch class Salesforce. Sorry. Let's see, for batch is running. Uh, it's giving an error. So let's correct the error. It's not billing status, it's billing state. So you can check your query also if its query is working fine or not. Let's check it first. So remove this, uh, remove this, remove this, we are billing state is equal to CA. Just a minute, guys. Billing country. Okay, so that not double quotes, it's single quotes. So let's update this. Now save this one. Let me note down in the notepad. Batch record. Go to new batch record. Then the line to execute is line. Here we have, as we have already created the instance of the class, we are giving directly the instance here. Let's execute the batch now. Let's see if the batch is running now or not. Batch is in holding state. Let's refresh this. It's completed. 4 records have been updated. So let's check the result. You see, this is our account where billing state is CA and it is its related contact. We are going to refresh the contact and you will see this mailing address will get updated with an address value of the account. 345 Shoreline Park, Mountain View. See, this value has been updated. So this is the example. Thank you. Thank you very much. We will cover more topics in the next video. Thank you for watching.